Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a balance sheet in Microsoft Excel using a trial balance and some simple formulas. First, let's take a look at the trial balance. This sheet contains all account names and their balances, like checking, accounts receivable, inventory, and so on. Next, we need a balance sheet layout showing assets, liabilities, and equity. One challenge here is that the account names in the trial balance may not match the labels in the balance sheet. For example, the trial balance might have checking, but the balance sheet needs it labeled as cash. To solve this, we create a mapping table that translates trial balance account names to balance sheet labels. Sometimes multiple accounts map to a single line. For instance, AR and AR allowance both map to accounts receivable. Once we have the mapping, we can use the SUMIFS function to pull the balances automatically. For example, in cell C7 of the balance sheet, the formula would be: here, TB.DDD is the sum range, the account balances in the trial balance. TB.CCC is the criteria range, the report label column in the trial balance. B7 is the balance sheet line label. After entering this formula, you can fill it down for all report lines and your balance sheet will automatically calculate the totals for assets, liabilities, and equity. For recurring reports, you can even set up a dedicated mapping sheet, so each month you just update the trial balance and the balance sheet updates automatically. And that's it! You now have a fully functional Excel balance sheet ready to use. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tutorials.